Good morning, YouTube. This is Whitney with JP Street and Performance. Today we are going to be cutting out the motor mounts that we designed on CAD for this Wheelies project on our brand new CNC machine.
All right, we're gonna load up the plate that we designed. We're gonna go F2. We're gonna go down to motor mount plate. We're gonna hit enter. There's our design. Our machine should be set up. We can double check real quick by pressing F7, F7. Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna push the green button for our first cut. Wait for the little box to pop up, and then you're gonna click enter.
All right, we're just waiting for the compressor to kick off so we can talk to you guys. Let's check out, see how this thing looks.
It's pretty cool. It turned out really good.
There you guys go. Let's kind of compare it and test fit it. All right. That looks like that's going to line up very, very well. I don't know if you guys can see. There you go.
That was my first time watching the CNC machine, and I have to say it was really cool. It was super exciting.
So
I'm a little blind.
So that is going to be our plate. As you can see, we ended up having to clearance down there, and our angles are almost identical for just kind of rough cutting them. So I'm going to go ahead and test fit this to the block before I cut out the next pieces. All right, so one thing we noticed on the CNC plasma cutter, the Eastwood, we're supposed to have a 5mm lead in. However, these are only 4.763 or 4.673 wide. So I had to do a 2mm lead in with a 90-degree angle, which normally it's set to 60-degree lead in. So these are just a hair too narrow. And when you change the settings in the CAD software, it changes it for the whole cut. So these can easily just be filed. They're just barely a little too narrow. So we need to file those out, but also our holes end up being just a hair too small. they're in the right locations perfectly. So we'll just drill those out with a stepper bit, just kind of enlarge them just a little bit to clear out some of the dross. But other than that, the plate looks like it fits perfectly to the block. So we're gonna cut out our tabs and see how much we're gonna need to clearance in these areas.
Okay, so again, we're gonna hit the green button, wait for the little box to pop up, and then you're gonna hit enter.
All right, so it looks like, as I was saying, these came out a little thin. Lengthwise, they're good. Here is our cut pieces for the mount bracket. So these will step down, sit inside here, like so, with our motor mount in between. And that will sit like that.
It's pretty cool. All right, so they came out really, really good, very accurate. And I'll show you the little guys. They all came out perfect. The only thing is that these holes are a little bit small, like you mentioned earlier, so we're gonna have to file them down before we weld and put it all together. But that is the next step. So, awesome.